C part 2, question 7, Juno 1, asks you to find the magnitude and direction of the velocity 0.6 seconds after projection. So it's over here somewhere, maybe. The whole flight is 2.92, so over here, say, somewhere. And so what we have to do is work out what the two velocities are at that point and then add them. So, do this on a new sheet of paper. This is part 2. So t equals 0.6 seconds. What do we know? Well, we still know the horizontal velocity is exactly the same. So we don't have to do a calculation in it. And that's a 25 cos 35, which is actually 20.5. The vertical velocity, though, we have to do a calculation. So we know that u is equal to the 25 sine 35. We know that a is 9.81 minus 9.81. We know t is equal to 0.6 seconds, and we're looking for v. So just use v is equal to u plus at, and that gives you 25, the sine of 35, plus minus 9.81 times t is 0.6. And when you do that calculation, that vertical velocity comes out at 8.45. Now, we're not just quite finished yet. The question then asks you to find what is the magnitude of the velocity, and that means that you have to add those as vectors. And so you know the horizontal velocity is 20.5, and you know that v is 8.45, and it's upwards. So this is your 20.5. That's your vertical velocity, but your your horizontal velocity, your vertical velocity is 8.45 upwards. And therefore this is the value here that we're looking for. It's this hypotenuse there. And you just do that using Pythagoras. So the value of it is equal to the square root of 20.5 squared plus 8.45, and it's all squared. And v comes out to be 22.5. Now it also asks you for the direction, so there's quite a lot in this question. So the direction there then is going to be either to the horizontal, to the vertical. If you do it to the horizontal, this angle here is theta, and that's the same angle as this here. So the angle to the horizontal then is a tan angle. So tan of theta is equal to 8.45 over 20.5. And you have to take the inverse tan of that, and theta comes out to be 22.4 degrees, and it's to the horizontal. You could also do it to the vertical, of course, provided you specify that. You'll get that marked right. And those are your answers there.